Hello, and welcome back to the Makeup Lounge. Today, this video, I'm gonna be talking to you guys about the Mr. Wipes Bio Home Multi-Purpose Cleaner. This is, yes, a new Farmasi product. It is amazing for getting stains out of clothes, carpets, couches, counters, anywhere where you have a stain. This is what you want to try. This bottle is 500 milliliters. It is 16.9 fluid ounces. This is concentrated, which means that this bottle is going to produce liter after liter after liter of an amazing multi-purpose cleaning solution. So I'm gonna show you guys how this works. We're gonna test it out on a stain that my daughter so nicely put on my carpet for us. So yeah, that's what we're gonna try to take out with this bottle. Let's see what happens. So there you go, guys. That is the amazing Mr. Wipes Multi-Purpose Cleaner. As you guys can see, you add it to water, a little bit of scrub, and you should be able to get out those tough stains. Like I said, it works on most fabrics, countertops, carpets. You can use this sucker on the walls. It has an amazing scent. That's another thing. I absolutely love it. It's just like a clean, fresh scent. It's amazing, guys. So I highly suggest that you guys try out our multi-purpose cleaner. This little bottle will last you a very, very, very long time. Like I said, it is biodegradable, concentrated, dermatologically tested. It is free of parabens, formaldehyde, phosphate, SLS, dye, and a bunch of other things, because this is a vegan product. This is definitely a vegan product. So if you're interested in using our multi-purpose cleaner, please contact me today and I will go ahead and place this in your order. Before I log off, I also want to mention we have also in the Mr. Wipes Home, we have an amazing fabric freshener. Amazing. So if you guys have ever used Febreze to freshen up clothes, this is like Febreze, but it smells even better than Febreze, and a couple of spritz take you a long way. You can use this on anything. So I'm going to show you guys. Here is one of the pillows from the couch, and doesn't smell like anything at all, but let's freshen her up. How does this smell? How does it smell? It smells amazing. She meant to say amazing. All right, so there you go, guys. This is, like I said, our fabric freshener, which is also biodegradable. This is also the Mr. Wipes Home product. So if you guys want to order any of these products or any of our makeup products, please let me know. But again, I highly suggest that you guys try out our Mr. Wipes Home products because they are amazing. And trust me, these prices are even better. Thanks for being here, guys.